What is up, YouTube? This is Jay, and today it's a cold Sunday here in Jersey, 17 degrees outside, but I still gotta go to the gym right after I record this video and give you guys an update on the portfolio. And I'm gonna be showing you right now the 6 purchases that I made, 5 on the dividend portfolio and 1 on the growth portfolio. So let's start with the dividend portfolio. And I started with a 1 share of VYM at $28.91. All the purchases were done on Friday. VYM, these $28.91, I took them from the cash. I did not take them from the deposit that I make every Friday. So I took some more cash, bought some more VYM, continuing to DCA into VYM with the cash that I had idled on the side. So I'm gonna continue to do that probably for 1 more share, and I'm most likely gonna do it on Monday when I buy my next share of SCHD for the weekly challenge. But let's go into the second purchase, which it was SCHD, 1 full share. As you guys know, every Friday since they cut their share price, since they did the share price split, I've been buying 1 full share every Friday, and I bought one at $27.29. Then my next purchase was Johnson & Johnson, $25. Share price was at $144.84. I'm still taking an opportunity on the dip, the share price dip that Johnson & Johnson has as of right now. So 144, I just think that that's a good share price right now to continue to buy and to continue to bring down my cost per share. Then All Realty Income, $15. Share price was at $53.30. The share price went as low as $51. I wish I had money on Thursday, or I had the deposit on Thursday, but I get paid on Friday. So I'm okay with that. Still at $53. And then I put my last $14 into the Fidelity S&P 500 Index Fund, FXAIX. Share price was at $205.83. And then my last purchase was on the growth portfolio. I put another $20 into Google, ticker symbol GOOGL. Share price $192.03. I know it's very close to the 52-week high. I believe it's like around $201, the 52-week high. So I'm still gonna, I bought some more Google. I was like, you know what, this $20, I deposited $25. Let me just put it into Google. I do see the growth. I see that they're going to continue to grow. So let me just put it into Google. Total in purchases, $130 for both of the portfolios. And if we go into the growth portfolio spreadsheet, just wanted to give you guys a quick update on this one. And we go to the right. It is right now $2,316 in market value. In the green by 37%, this portfolio right now. My best performer is Tesla right now at 103% in the green in share price, but I only have 1.2 shares as of right now. Tesla is one that I'm been considering selling since it's such a nice gain at over 100% and is very overvalued. But I didn't get a chance to do some research this week that I wanted to do this weekend, so I'm just gonna continue holding for now. Google is my number 1 position right now. I bought some more, 3.2 shares. I'm 23% in the green, $624 in market value, $117 in the green. That's actually pretty good. And then VGT is my other one that I want to buy some more. So let me see if I spend some of the cash. I'm waiting for a dip. Right now the share price is at $631 and the 52-week high is at $648. My cost per share, $492. So I'm in the green by 28%. I do want to buy some more VGT because I'm planning on buying and holding for like about 10 years before I sell, and then put that into SCHD, that it just continues to grow their dividend. But that's the plan for it as of right now, and I do want to buy some more. So I have $66 in cash, so I'll see if I deploy some cash next week with the deposit that I make. And then if we go into the dividend portfolio, we go right here. This is my dividend portfolio only. I'm showing this first before I show the full portfolio spreadsheet. And as you guys can see, it has continued to take a hit. $18,300 in market value. I'm 10% in the green still, which is good in share price. $1,600 in the green. And it's giving me some opportunities right now, which I have bought some more, pretty much all realty income. Johnson & Johnson, which is also under my cost. My cost in Johnson & Johnson is $156. And right now the share price is very close to the 52-week low at $144 in share price, and 52-week low was at $142. So I'm gonna continue to buy a little bit more and more Johnson & Johnson slowly, and all realty income also. I'm gonna continue to bring down my cost, right? I have my cost is $57.47, and share prices at $52.79. I'm 30 shares already of all realty income. So I'm excited about this one, in the negative by 8%. And then Vici is another one. I told you guys I was going to spend some of the cash into Vici from my sell on MPW a couple of months ago. And right now I'm at 24.3 shares. So I want to buy one more share with the cash that I have, which I have $214 right now in cash in the dividend portfolio. And Vici, I'm in the negative by 4% right now. $31, and my cost per share is at $30.07. So if I can bring down my cost at under $30, that would be awesome. 3.8% of my portfolio. PFE, Pfizer is my other position that is in the red. I'm in the red by 15%, and I have not bought any because I'm focusing on these positions right here because I see a very, very good opportunity on these before the share price runs up once again. And then if we go to the right, I did update the dividend for each one of these positions. Like for example, SCHD, what I did is I added everything that they paid this year from the first quarter to the fourth quarter, and then I divided it into 4. So this gives me a better estimated yearly dividend with the dividends that they have paid this year. So right now I put it as 24.86 cents, pretty much 0.2486 cents per quarter. That's what I divided between the all 4 quarters. This gives me a yield on cost of 3.92%. My cost per share is at $25.34. I DCA into SCHD every week, no matter what the price is at. And you guys can see I'm almost at 4% in yield on cost. They have also grown their dividend very, very well, this SCHD ETF. And I have an estimated yearly dividends of $167.74. The estimated next dividend, of course, this is just an estimated. They usually pay their dividends every quarter, but they pay in different amounts, right? So it's not always the same. That's why these are just estimated. These 2 columns right here are just estimated. They're not like exactly the dividend that they're going to pay, but an estimated almost $42 from SCHD. VYM is one that I have it in orange, this column right here, to 0.8736 cents, because it actually went down. I don't know, it's just so disappointing. That actually went down in my dividend. It was higher, the dividend that I've had here before, and it actually went down. So right now my yield on cost is at 3.09%. My estimated yearly dividends is $52. If we go right here into the stock analysis tab, you guys can see that when they announced their December dividend, it actually went down to a year-over-year negative 12%. This is very disappointing. And in December of 2023, they pay $1.10 per share. And this year they pay 96 cents pretty much. But you guys can see that this year, in March, they also had a negative year-over-year of 8.5%. Now, in June, they had a positive of 16%. And then in September, at 18%. But for the full year, VYM pretty much went in the negative in dividend growth. So it is something that is very disappointing, especially seeing SCHD grow their dividend more and more. That is just, I haven't been buying VYM for the past couple of weeks. I have been doing some research and doing a few things, and I do want to lower the amount of holdings in my portfolio so I can be a little bit more concentrated into some of my positions, especially one like SCHD. And it's just performing so well in dividend growth, which is what I'm looking for in SCHD. I don't have any other plans. I don't care if SCHD tomorrow goes to $50. I actually don't want it to, because I want to buy some more at a cheaper price, because what I want is the dividend growth from this SCHD ETF. So it's something that is disappointing me to bring down my dividend. That's also one of the reasons why I cut MPW right away. I took losses because I was okay with the first dividend cut, but then the second one I was like, you know what, let me just cut it out. And VYM just pretty much cut their dividend. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Then all realty income, it went up to 0.264 cents. All realty income, like, they increased their dividend by fractions of a cent, which when you hold it for like a more than a decade, of course, if you hold it for multiple decades, it adds up, So this is a company that I also like. All realty income, they just own so much real estate. So I'm holding the giant pretty much, or the king of real estates. And then FXAIX, I adjusted it. The S&P 500 did go up. It was very small increase, but they did go up in dividend. And it is right now adjusted to 0.6358 cents. And then my last one that I did not notice, it was Pfizer. They went up 1 cent to 0.43 cents. Pfizer went up in dividend more than VYM. I cannot believe that. And Pfizer, I have a 5.5% yield on cost, and FXAIX yield on cost 1.48%. I was really happy when I saw this, when I adjusted the SCHD dividend and I saw that I'm almost at 4% yield on cost. That's crazy. But I know it's going to go down a little bit because I continue to DCA every week and I buy no matter where the price is at. So this is one that I'm okay, because I'm planning on holding forever if I can. That's pretty much my plan with SCHD. I should probably put a note right here, holding forever. And then if we go right here, $614 in estimated yearly dividends per month. Because I've been spending some of my idle cash already, taking advantage of some opportunities. Per month, $51. I surpassed the $50, $51.18. Per week of the year, $11.81. And per day of the year, $1.68. And if we go into the full portfolio, we can see that both of them together is at $20,665. My performance, 12% in the green, $2,300 in the green. The positions in the growth portfolio are keeping this portfolio at over $20,000 right now, because my my growth portfolio has been performing very well, especially Tesla at 103% in the green. Then my next one, I will say, it is Apple, 78% in the green, $213 in the green on Apple, but it's only 2.3% of my portfolio. I need to buy some more Apple or sell it at a gain. Let's see what I do. Bank of America, 55% in the green. And then which one is my next one? Main Street Capital, 44% in the green, guys. That's a very good performer. Amazon, 43% in the green, but Amazon, I only have like 0.9 shares. I was honestly going to do the same thing as Google, even though it has run up in share price, to buy some. And I was going to throw $20 into Amazon, because I also want to have like at least one share on Amazon. So don't be surprised if I do that next week. It's less than 1% of my portfolio and Amazon. And then my next ones are like VGT, which is 28% in the green, FNILX 22% in the green, Google 23% in the green, Procter & Gamble, this is one position I definitely want to buy some more. Even with some of the cash, I kind of want to hold some of the cash to buy some Procter & Gamble. Why? Because I need to grow my income on these off months like February, May, August, and November. That's why I was buying Vichy, so I can boost my income in January, April, July, and October. And I have bought multiple shares of Vichy, so I need to save like about $150 or something like that to put them into Procter & Gamble. That's gonna be my plan. I do believe I'm going to hold on that. Right now, Procter & Gamble is at $168.06, 52-week high, $180, so it's closer to the 52-week high. And I only have 3.7 shares, 3% of my full portfolio. My cost per share, $139.02. You guys can tell that I have bought Procter & Gamble even before, because look at their 52-week low, $143, and my cost per share is below the 52-week low. So I bought Procter & Gamble over a year, and I've been holding, but I need to buy some more. I really like their products. All right, everyone, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, continue to help the channel grow in subscribers, and I really appreciate everyone's support. And of course, enjoy your Sunday. It's gonna be a cold one where I'm at, but I told my family if they wanted to go somewhere, there's this spot here in Jersey that is really good. It's a Spanish restaurant, and I kind of want to go, so I want to go eat something there. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.